Hello students, today we will do 27b on graphical solution simultaneous linear equation. We already completed 27a. Here we saw plotting of points in a graph and draw a straight line through these points. Okay. Now in this chapter we will see two or more equation, then we will plot these equation in the graph. Then we will find the coordinate or point of intersection of these lines. Okay. So now let's start this chapter. First question. Is solve graphically the following pair of equations. So question number 1. X minus 5 equals to 0. This is the equation 1, imply x equals to 5. And equation 2, y plus 4 equals to 0. Equation 2. Now imply y equals to minus 4. Okay. So plotting this line in the graph. So the required graph is we draw x-axis and y-axis. This is x and x dash. This is y and y dash. Now we take 2 centimeter equals to 2 unit. Okay. Two, 4, 6, 8, 2, 4, 6, 8, 2, 4, 6, 8, 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay. Now we plot line x minus 5 equals to 0. So this line will be here. This is the point. X minus 5 equals to 0. Here you see, here x point is 5, then y 0, x point is here x 5, then y 1, here y 2, y 6, y 8. Okay. Here minus 2, y minus 2, x 5, y minus 4. Okay. So this line is going through these points. Okay. So now we plot y equals to minus 4. Y equals to minus 4. So this line will be here. This is the line y plus 4 equals to 0. So the point of intersection will be 5 minus 4. This is the point of intersection. Okay. The intersecting point is 5 minus 4. Now question 2. 2x plus y equals to 23. Equation 1, imply y equals to 23 minus 2x. The table is x, y, when x 5, y 13, when x 15, y minus 7, when x 10, y 3. Now for the equation 2, second equation is 4x minus y equals to 19. Imply y equals to 4x minus 19. We are shifting 19 on the left hand side and y on the right hand side. Okay, so we get this is equation 2. Now the table is here. When x3 y minus 7, when x4 y minus 3, x6 y 5. Now plotting these points in the graph, plotting these points in the graph. So the required graph is so this is y dashed, and this is x dashed, x axis and y axis. Now we plot these points. First point 5, 13, two, 4, 6, 8, 10, 14, 16, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay, this is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, so first point is 5, 13, 5 here, 13 is here, so this point will be here, and 15 minus 7, 15 here is minus 7, and 10, 3, 10, 3. Okay, now we draw the line. This is the straight line. Okay, so this is the line. Now we plot the points of equation 2. 3 minus 7, look, 3 minus 7, 3 minus 7 is here, and 4 minus 3, 4 minus 3 is here, and 6, 5, 6, 5 is here. So now we draw the line. Okay, this is the line. So this is the line. Okay, so this point is here, 4 minus 3, and 3 minus 7 is here. Okay, so the point of intersection is, so this is the line 2x plus y equals to 23, and this is the line 4x minus y equals to 19. So now we solve the equation 1 and 2, then we get the point of intersection. Okay, so from we solve the equation 1 and 2. Equation 1 and 2. So first equation 2x plus y equals to 23, and second equation is 4x minus y equals to 19. So now 6x equals to 42, or x equals to 7. Now we put x equals to 7 in the equation 1. So from the equation 1 we get 2x plus y equals to 23, imply y equals to 23 minus 2x. Now put x 7, then we get 23 minus 14, 9. So the intersecting point is 7, 9. Okay, now the question 3. 3x plus 7y equals to 27. This is equation 1. Imply x equals to 27, here plus 7y, sit on the right hand side, then minus 7y by 3. The table is x and y. So when y3, then x2, when y0, x9, when y6, x minus 5. Now the equation 2, 8 minus y equals to 5 by 2x. This is the equation 2. Imply y equals to 8 minus 5 by 2x. Okay, so the table is here. The table is x, y. Now we put x equals to 0, then we get y8, x2, y3, x4, y minus 2. So plotting these points in the graph, the required graph is, now we draw x and y axis. Okay, this is x dash, and y and negative side of y axis. Then 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay, now we plot these points in the graph. So first 2, 3 point, 2, 3, this is here, and 9, 0, 9, 0 point is here, and minus 5, 6, minus 5 and 6 is here. Okay, now we draw the line. Yeah, this is the line. 3x plus 7 y equals to 27, and the another line 0, 8, 0, 8 point is here, and 2, 3, 2, 3 point is here, and 4 minus 2, 4 minus 2 is here. So now we draw the line. Okay, this is the line, and this is the point of intersection. Okay, so the point of intersection is here 2, 3. Two lines intersect two lines intersect at the point 2 3. So now the question 4, x plus 1 y 4 equals to 2y 3, 1 minus 2y. This is the equation 1. Now imply x plus 1 equals to 2y 3 into 4, 1 minus 2y. Imply x equals to 8 by 3, 1 minus 2y minus 1, or 8 minus 8 is 2, 16 y minus 3 by 3. So 5 minus 16 y by 3. The table is now for equation 1. The table is for y minus 1 x 7, y 2, then x minus 9, y minus 4, then x 23. Now the equation 2, 2 plus 5y by 3 equals to x by 7 minus 2. This is the equation 2. Imply 2 plus 5y by 3 plus 2 equals to x by 7. Imply x equals to 5y plus 8 by 3 into 7. Okay, so the table is when we put y minus 1, then x 7, y 2, x 42, y minus 4, x minus 28. Okay, now plotting these points in the graph, the required graph is, we get the required graph is, now we draw x-axis and y-axis. Okay, now this is x dash, y dash. 2 4 6 8 10 12 14 16 18 20 22 24 26 28 30 32 34 36 38 40 42. Okay, here 1 2 4 6 8 10 12 14 16 18 20 22 24 26 28. Okay, so here this 2 4 6 8 10 12 14 16 20 22 24 26 28 20 30 32 34 36 38 40 42 44. Okay, now here 2 4 6 8 10 12 16 18 20 22 24 26 28. 2 4 6 8 10 2 4 6 8 10. Okay, so first we plot 7 minus 1 point. 7 minus 1, this point is here. Minus 9 2, minus 9 2, this is here. And 23 minus 4, 23 minus 4 here. Now we draw the line. Okay, 23 minus 4 is here. Okay, now we plot 7 minus 1 for the equation 2. 7 minus 1 point is here, and 42 2, 42 is here, 2 is here, so this is the point. Minus 28 minus 4, minus 28 is here, minus 4 is here. So now we draw the line. This is the line. Okay, students, you must plot these points in the graph paper. I have no graph paper, so this is the point. Okay, 7 minus 1, this is the intersecting points. Two lines intersect at the point 7 minus 1. Okay, now the question 2. Solve graphically the simultaneous equation given below. Okay, take the scale as 2 centimeter equals to 1 unit on both the axes. X minus 2, y minus 4 equals to 0, and 2x plus y equals to 3. So the equation 1x minus 2y minus 4 equals to 0. This is equation 1. Now imply x equals to 4 plus 2y. So the table is, for the equation 1, if we take y1, then we get x6. If we get minus 1, 2, and y0, 4. Okay, now the equation 2, 2x plus y equals to 3. This is equation 2. Imply y equals to 3 minus 2x. Okay, the table is, so for x0, y1, x0, y3, y3, x1, y1, x2, y minus 1. Okay, now plotting these points in the graph. So the graph is, we draw x and x dash and y dash, x axis and y axis we draw. So this is 2 4 6 8, 2 4 6 8, 4 6 8. Okay, 2 4 6 8 10 12 14, 2 4 6 8, 2 4 6 8, and this is 2 4 6 8. Okay, so first point is here, 6 1, 6 1. Okay, now 2 minus 1 point is here. and now 40 point is here. Now we draw the line. Okay, this is the line. Okay, so for second equation, 0 3 point will be here, and 1 1 is here, and 2 minus 1 is here. So we draw the line. This is the line. Okay, so the point of intersection is 2 minus 1. Okay, the intersecting point is 2 minus 1. Now question 3. Okay, question 3. So use graph paper for this equation. Draw the graph of 2x minus y minus 1 equals to 0 and 2x plus y equals to 9 on the same axis. Use 2 centimeter equals to 1 unit on both axes and plot only 3 points per unit. Write down the coordinates of the point of intersection of the two lines. Okay, so here first equation, you see minus 1 equals to 0, imply y equals to 2x minus 1. The table is so now when x1 y1, x2 y3, x0 y minus 1. Okay, now the equation 2, 2x plus y equals to 9. Second equation, imply y equals to 9 minus 2x. The table is x and y when x4 y1, x2 y5, x3 y3. So plotting these points in the graph, so the required graph is plotting these points in the graph. The required graph is x and y axis is x and x dash, y dash. Okay, 4 6 8 2 4 6 8 2 4 6 8 10 12 14 2 4 6 8. Okay, now first point 1 1 2 3 here, 1 point is here, and 2 3 is here, and also 0 minus 1 is here. So now we draw the line. Okay, this is the line. Our 2-3 point is here. So 2 and 3 point is there. Okay, now 4-1, we plot 4-1 point, 4-1 and 2-5, 2-5 and 3-3 point is here. Okay, now we draw the line. Yeah, this is the line. Okay, so here see, now unit 2 centimeter equals to 1 unit on both axes, and plot only 3 points per line. Okay, write down the coordinate of the point of intersection of the two lines. Now we will find the intersecting point. So we solve here, we solve the equation 1 and 2. Okay, 1 and 2. So first equation is here, 2x minus y equals to 1. Second, 2x plus y equals to 9. Okay, so 4x equals to 10, or x equals to 10 by 4. So this is 5 by 2, 2.5. Okay, and now we put x equals to 2.5 in the equation 1, then we get 2x minus y from the equation 1 this. Now y value is 2x minus 1. Now we put 2 into 10 by 4 minus 1. Okay, so we get 5 minus 1 equals to 4. Okay, so the intersecting point is 2.54. Point is 2.54. Question number 4. Use graph paper for this equation. Take 2 centimeter equals to 2 unit and on y-axis, and 2 centimeter equals to 1 unit on y-axis. Solve graphically the following equation, this and this. Plot only 3 points per line. Okay, first equation, 3x plus 5y equals to 12. Equation 1 imply x equals to 12 minus 5y by 3. The table is x, y. So now we put y value 0, x 4, y 3, x minus 1, y minus 3, x 9. Now equation number 2, 3x minus 5y plus 18 equals to 0. Equation 2. Okay, so imply x equals to minus 18 plus 5y by 3. Okay, so the table is when y 0, x minus 6, when y 3, x minus 1, y 6, x 4. Okay, now we plot these points in the graph. So this is x and x dash, y, y dash. Okay, So 6 8 4 6 8, this is 2 4 6 8 10 12, this is 2 4 6 8 10 2 4 6 8 10 6 8. Okay, here you see 2 centimeter equals to 1 unit on y-axis and 2 centimeter equals to 2 unit on x-axis. Okay, so now we plot these points. 40 point is here and -1 3 is here and 9 -3 is here. Now we draw the line. Okay, so this is the required line. We draw this line. Okay, this is the line. 2 4 6. Okay, yeah, this is 2 4. Okay, now -60 for -60, -6 is here, -60 -1 3 -1 3, this point is here. 4 6 4 6 is here. Okay, now we draw the line. -6 for y0, -6 and 3 -1, and for 6 30 -18 will be here. See, -18, sorry, for 6 13 -18 12 by 3 4 4 6 point 4 and 6 point -60 is here. -1 3 is here. 4 6 4 6 point is here. So now we draw the line. Sorry, this is the line. Okay, this is the required line. So this is the line 6 and 8. Okay, so the point of intersection is this is -1 4. Okay, so plotting these points, solve the equation 1 and 2. Now we solve the equation 1 and 2, then we get the intersecting point. First equation is here. 3x plus 5y equals to 12, and 3x, second equation, minus 5y equals to minus 18. So 6x equals to minus 6, or x equals to minus 1. Okay, and y, we put the value of x, then we get the value of y from the equation 1. We get 5y equals to 12 minus 3x. So 12 plus 3 equals to 15, or y equals to 3. So the intersecting point, two lines intersect at the point minus 1, 3. Okay, this is the point minus 1, 3. So question 5. Now we solve the question 5. Use graph paper for this equation. Sorry, for this question, take 2 cm equals to 1 unit on both the axes. Draw the graph this and this. Plot only 3 points per line. Second question, write down the coordinate of the point of intersection of the lines. Okay, and third question, measure and record the distance of the point of intersection of the lines from the origin in centimeter. Okay, now first equation is here, x plus y plus 3 equals to 0. So here x equals to, we are shifting minus 3 on the right hand side, minus 3 and minus y. So the table is, for the equation 1, y0 x minus 3, y1 x minus 4, y minus 3 x0, and the second equation 3x minus 2y plus 4 equals to 0, imply x equals to minus 4 plus 2y by 3. Okay, the table is, so if we put y minus 1, then x minus 2, y minus 4, x minus 3, y2 x0. Okay, now we draw, sorry, here okay, now draw the lines, x-axis and y-axis. Yeah, this is x and x dashed, this is y and y dashed. Okay, so this is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. Now we plot these points, minus 3, 0. Here minus 3, 0 is here. Okay, minus 4, 1. Minus 4, 1 is here. 0 minus 3 is here. Now we draw the line. This, okay. Now for second equation, minus 2 minus 1, minus 2 minus 1, this point is here, and minus 3 minus 4, minus 3 minus 4 is here, and 0 minus 2, sorry, 0 2 point will be here. Okay, now we draw the line. So this is the line M, this is the line. So the intersecting point is here -2 -1. Okay, this is the intersecting point. So first question, draw the graph, plot only 3 points per line. We can solve this, and to write down the coordinate of the point of intersection. So the point of intersection is -2 -1. Third question is here, measure and record the distance of the point of intersection of the lines from the origin in centimeter. Here the point of intersection -2 -1 and the origin 0 0. So the distance of -2 point of intersection from origin 0 0 is by the distance formula. This is x1, this is y1, this is x2, and this is y2. Okay, so x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus 1 minus 0 square. Okay, so this is -2 square 4 plus -1 square 1 √5. Now we solve the we calculate the value of √5. So by the division method, we get 5 point, we take pair. Okay, so 2 4 1 point is here 0 0, and 2 times of 2 is 4. Now we take 2 here, 2 84 and 16 here, 0 0 is there. So 222 22 times 2 44 is here. Now we take 3 1 3 2 9. Okay, so this is 172. So this the value of √5 is 2.23. Okay, now let's continue. Okay, so see the question 6. The sides of a triangle are given by the equation this and this and this. Find graphically the area of triangle. And second question, the coordinate of the vertices of the triangle. Okay, so first equation is here, y minus 2 equals to 0. Equation 1 imply y equals to 2. Second equation, y plus 1 equals to 3x minus 2. So this imply y equals to 3x minus 6 minus 1, 3x minus 7. So the table is for equation 2. The table is x and y. When x0 y minus 7, x1 y minus 4, x3 y, then y2. Okay, so the equation 3 imply x equals to minus 2y. So the table is x and y. When y2 x minus 4, y minus 2 x 4, and y3 x minus 6. Okay, now plotting these points in the graph. In the graph we get the required graph. So the graph is here. We draw x-axis and y-axis. X dash, y dash. So now we plot. Two, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 2, 4, 6, 8, 2, 4, 6, 8, 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, so y equals to 2. We draw the line y 2. This is the line. Okay, this is the line. Y minus 2 equals to 0. Now we plot the equation 2. So 0 minus 7 is here. Okay, and then 1 minus 4 is here, and then 3 2 is here. Now we draw the line. So this is the line. This is the line, and 1 minus 4 and 3 2 3 sorry, it is here. So 3 will be 3 is here, 3 2. Okay, and for equation 3, 0 0 minus 4 2. Okay, minus 4 first, minus 4 and 2 point is here. 4 minus 2, 4 minus 2 is here, and minus 6 3, minus 6 3 is here. Okay, now we draw the line. This is the line. Okay, so first question, the area of the triangle, the coordinate of the vertices of the triangle. So here look at this point A, 4 minus 4, this is minus 4 2 point, B point is here 3 2, and C point, the point of intersection of the line 2 and 3 is 2 minus 1. Okay, this is the point. So now minus 1 point is here. Okay, so question 2, the coordinate of the vertices of the triangle. The coordinate of vertices of triangle is A minus 4 2 and V 3 2 and C 2 minus 1. Okay, now we have to find the area of the triangle. Look, this is the triangle AVC. So to find the area of the triangle, we need the base. Here base is AB and height is here, this is C and this is D. So from origin to this point A, the distance is 4 and here the distance is 3. So the total distance of AB is 7. Okay, now the distance of CD is here from origin to this point 2 and from origin to this 2. So 4, total distance 4. Now the area of the triangle. The area of the triangle ABC equals to half into base into height. So here base is AV and height is CD. So base is here 7 and height is here, this is the 2 and from this point the y value is here minus 1. So this is 1 and this is 2. Total distance of CD, the height is 3. So 21 by 2 square unit. Now question 7, by drawing a graph for each of the equations, this and this on the same graph paper, show that the lines given by this equation are concurrent. Concurrent means they pass through the same point. Okay, take 2 centimeter equals to 1 unit on both the axes. Okay, so we have the equation 1, this is equation 1, imply y equals to minus 3x minus 5. The table is x and y. So now we put x value 0, y minus 5 and x1 y minus 8, x minus 1 y minus 2. Okay, if we put x minus 2 y 1 and then equation 2, 3y minus x equals to 5. Equation 2 imply x equals to 3y minus 5. So the table is x and y. y0 x minus 5, y1 x minus 2, y3 x4. Third equation, 2x plus 5y equals to 1. This is equation 3. So imply x equals to 1 minus 5y by 2. Okay, so the table is here x and y. So y 3 x minus 7 y minus 1 x 3 y 1 x minus 2. Okay, now we draw the lines. X and x dashed, y dashed. Okay, so now we plot these points in the graph. Okay, first 0 minus 5 8 10 6 8 10 2 4 6 8 10 2 4 6 8. Okay, 2 4 6 8 10 2 4 6 8 10 4 6 8 2 4 6 8. So here look, 2 centimeter equals to 1 unit. Okay, now we draw the line 0 minus 5. Here the point 0 minus 5 is here, and 1 minus 8 is here, and minus 1 minus 2 minus 1 minus 2 is here, and minus 2 1 minus 2 1 is here. Now we draw the line. This is the line. Okay, okay, this is the line. For second equation, minus 5 0 minus 5 0 is here, and minus 2 1 minus 2 1 is here, 4 3 is here. So now we draw the line. This is the lines. And the second equation, we plot these points. Minus 7 3 minus 7 3 is here, 3 minus 1 3 minus 1 is here, and minus 2 1 is here. So now we draw the line. Okay, minus 7 minus 7 3 is here. This is the line. Okay, so these lines are concurrent because they pass through the same point. Yeah, so hence this point of intersection is minus 2 1. Okay, so the intersecting point is minus 2 1. So these lines are concurrent, or these equations are concurrent. Equations are concurrent as they pass through the same point. Okay, same point, and this point is minus 2 1. Okay, now question 8. Using a scale of 1 centimeter to 1 unit for both the axes, Okay, draw the graphs of the following equation, this and this. From the graph, find the coordinate of the point where the two lines intersect and the area of the triangle between the lines and the x-axis. Okay, so here equation 1, 5x plus 10, this is equation 1, or y equals to 5x plus 10 by 6. So the table is x and y. If we put x minus 2, y 0, x 4, y 5, x minus 8, y minus 5. Okay, now equation 2, y equals to 5x minus 15. This is equation 2. The table is for the equation 2, when x2, y minus 5, x3, y 0, x4, y 5. Now we draw the graph. So this is x and x dashed, this is y and y dashed. Okay, 6 8 2 4 6 8 6 8. Okay, 2 4 6 8 10, 2 4 6 8 10, 2 4 6 8, 2 4 6 8. Okay, so first we plot -2 0 point, -2 0, this is here, and 4 5 4 5 is here, and -8 -5 -8 -5 is here. Now we draw the line. Okay, so this is the line. Yeah, and the second line is, now we plot 2 minus 5. 2 minus 5 is here, 3 0 3 0 is here, and 4 minus 5 4 5 will be here. So now we draw the line. So this is the line. Okay, so the coordinate of the point where the two lines intersect, 4 5 point. Okay, this is the 4 5 point. Yeah, this is the 4 5 point. So two lines intersect. First question, to the coordinate of the point where the two lines intersect. Two lines intersect at the point 4, 5. Now the question number 2, the area of the triangle between the lines and the x-axis. Here A point 4, 5 and B is here -2, 0 and C point is here 3, 0. Okay, this is the C point, 3, 0 point. So the area of the triangle, to find the area of the triangle, we need the base BC and the height here, the height is, this is D. So the length of BC is this point from origin here -2, so this is 2, and from this point to here is 3. So the length of BC 5. Okay, the area of triangle equals to half into base into height. Okay, so here base is BC and height is AD. So the length of BC here 2 and this distance 3, total length of BC 5, half into 5, and AD, length of AD from origin to this point here 5. Okay, so this is 5, 25 by 2, 5 5 is 25 by 2. Okay, so 12.5 12.5 square unit.